Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel RF Ride. Today we are talking about the Piaggio 8e City Rickshaw 2025 is an advanced electric three-wheeler designed for urban transportation with a focus on efficiency, comfort, and eco-friendliness. It comes with a powerful electric motor that provides smooth acceleration and a noise-free driving experience, making it an ideal choice for crowded city streets. The rickshaw is equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery that offers an impressive range on a single charge, ensuring long hours of operation without frequent recharging. The battery is designed for quick charging, allowing operators to minimize downtime and maximize earnings. The digital instrument cluster provides all essential information such as speed, battery level, and trip details, helping drivers stay informed at all times. The Piaggio 8e City features a modern and ergonomic design that enhances the overall driving experience. The spacious cabin offers ample legroom and headroom for both the driver and passengers, ensuring a comfortable ride even during long journeys. The seats are designed with high-quality materials to provide better cushioning and support. Additionally, the rickshaw includes a lockable glove box for secure storage of personal items and documents. There are also USB charging ports to keep mobile devices powered throughout the day, making it convenient for drivers who rely on their phones for navigation and communication. Safety is a priority in the Piaggio 8e City 2025, with features such as a robust chassis, powerful braking system, and a stable suspension setup that ensures a smooth ride even on rough roads. The vehicle's compact size allows easy maneuverability in traffic, while the durable build ensures longevity and reliability. The rickshaw is also equipped with LED headlights and taillights for better visibility during night rides, enhancing overall safety. In terms of performance, the electric powertrain delivers instant torque, ensuring quick starts and efficient hill climbing even when fully loaded. The rickshaw is designed to be highly economical, with low maintenance costs and minimal running expenses compared to traditional fuel-powered alternatives. The absence of an internal combustion engine means zero emissions, making it an environmentally friendly option for urban transport solutions. The Piaggio 8e City 2025 also comes with smart connectivity features that allow fleet operators to monitor vehicle performance and battery health remotely. This helps in efficient fleet management and reduces operational costs. The stylish exterior design with eye-catching graphics adds to its appeal, making it a preferred choice for both passengers and drivers. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates on electric vehicles, latest technology, and in-depth